As a female leader, you have a lot to do. You've studied and continue to study a variety of topics to improve every aspect of your life. You work hard to contribute to your household financially, whether at an outside job or at home. You take pride in your appearance and spend time coordinating how you present yourself to others and to your man. You take solid measures to care for your mind, body, and overall health. You do your best to do the things that free your spirit, but do you know what it takes to communicate in a way that everything, even the most challenging of disagreements, can be used to bring you closer to your man? Do you know how to grow in your understanding and respect for him during and after every argument? Do you know how to decide if it's even an argument worth having? Can you consistently keep the peace without feeling forced to compromise or to suppress your true feelings? The truth is, we all should have learned this skill set at school, but we didn't. How long will you let things get worse before you learn the skills you need to enjoy real peace in your relationship? How long will your children feel unsafe and uncertain about whether mom and dad will be okay? Will you reach a separation or divorce before building the skill set? Will you enter the next relationship without it and start the painful process all over again? How about we put a stop to all of this unnecessary anxiety right now? No, it won't be easy, but it certainly will be far better than what you're enduring or avoiding now. As with any other skill, practice builds strength, and with increased strength comes reduced anxiety and concern. As you gradually come into knowing exactly how to handle the trickiest of disagreements. I'm Deborah Watts, and I invite you to join me on Monday, February 26th for a not-to-be-repeated exclusive online workshop. In this workshop, we will create your personalized courage blueprint so that you can begin to take immediate action and turn disagreements into deeper confidence and intimacy with your partner. It's time to stop fearing disagreements and start using them to build a relationship you really want. Don't delay. Due to the intimate nature of this workshop, only a few spots are available. Reserve yours now by clicking on the link accompanying this video. I look forward to seeing you there.